Welcome back to our Aulani adventure. You'll definitely want to stay to the end of this one as we'll be sharing a special giveaway, or 2 or 3. Come along as we check out the merchandise in both Halemanu and Kalapa's, 2 shops at Aulani that are perfect for unique Hawaii items and special souvenirs. We'll also take you along as we visit the DVC Center and finish the day off with the best view on property, the double-tiered Alohi Point Whirlpool Spa for guests 18 and older with a stunning ocean view. So glad you're here. Let's go. So we have the Kamaka Grotto here. There's a little hot tub back there. It's really nicely themed. Oh, sorry. Here are the DVC offices. They have a little thing about their cruise ship. Does include something that we'll have to do in the future as well. Looks like they have a bunch of different magic bands as well. So we made a quick stop here to come by to pick up our member gift. Every time we're here at our home resort of Aulani, they invite us to come by and to pick something up. This is just another reason why we love Aulani and Disney and being a Disney Vacation Club member. I love this.
There you go. Just put it right out there.
Oh, this is like the best one.
It's cool because it's wood, so
I
it's
love
meant to get
it.
wet. Like
Awesome. This is a very cool. Yeah. Okay.
So this bag, and then inside the bag, there's Disney wouldn't be Disney without magnets. It's like a giant magnet.
Nice.
So that's your member. You can put that in anyone that's been ready. And the new hats. The new hats, you get 2 of these.
Oh.
Thank you.
We get this color. I like this color. Disneyland has blue.
Oh, okay.
This one was actually good because it matches everything.
It matches everything.
Kind of. I mean, I like blue, but it can always match with something like this does. Yep. So you're all set to go.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
We're gonna put, and then we got another print with "Welcome Home" on it. The nice saying here at the resorts, where the Disney Vacation Club members. So excited to have this. It's gonna look so cute. If you're looking for a good place to catch the sunset, the big lanai out here. After you walk in the front door, there's a front door behind me in the lobby, and you'll be able to get a nice view. You can even sit in these chairs here and enjoy it, but you've got a gorgeous view of that sunset. Something fun to see here in this store is this little owl in the corner, and if you watch really carefully, he moves every few minutes. And there we go, turning. Love this suitcase. And I think this burlap texture is so cute for these ears, and of course the tube ears that are inflatable. The same kind of texture on the hat. And I love this coral or kind of peachy color scheme for the Aulani merchandise. I love that they use the plumeria on the ears. It's a cute pair. And this is actually, it kind of reminds me of like a shave ice with the colors. So pretty. Definitely like that one too. Another great pair of ears, the different leaves, and the plumeria. Take a look at these are loungefly ears, so they're going to be priced a little differently. And let's see, can we find the price on here? Okay, so these are $50. It's right there. See the price there. Oh, and they have the matching suitcase for that kind of natural texture. Cute.
Yeah, I think so too.
And they're cute loungefly. how adorable this is, an Olumel ukulele signed by all of the characters here at Aulani.
Where do you guys make them? What is it? Oh, pond? It's right downstairs. Downstairs, right? That's nice.
Hey guys, so as you know, we're a brand new channel and I want to thank you for subscribing to us with a little giveaway for addresses within the US. We'll be doing these 3 items from Kalapa's store here at Aulani, this adorable Olumel when we hit 100 subscribers, the luggage tag at 200, and this special Aulani pin at 500. We also have something super special when we get to 1,000, so be sure to subscribe and let us know in the comments to get your entry in. We hope you love the merchandise tour. We're super excited for this giveaway. Be sure to subscribe and let us know in the comments so we can enter you into each drawing. Follow us on Instagram at Hawaii Girl Life and subscribe to our blog, hawaiigirllife.com, for extra submissions. And be sure to share with your Hawaii and Disney loving friends and family. And please check back soon for more Ko'olina and Aulani fun as we explore treats, happy hours, and even where to eat and shop for groceries and souvenirs nearby if you're doing it on a budget. Sending you sunshine and aloha from the happiest place on Oahu, Disney Aulani.